Hello everybody, how's it going today? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to prep the car for a track day. It's not a race, it's just an open track day for people to bring their cars and test and have some fun. So basically you got the car jacked up in the air and you kind of do the normal things that you do. Check all the fluids, check the brake pads, and kind of clean things up. Check for loose nuts and bolts, and check your wires, make sure there's nothing loose. Okay, here you can see I've got some wrenches laid out, just kind of the common sizes of the rod ends and other bolts that are underneath the car. Adjustable wrench, rag, a light, and I'll get a creeper out and I'll crawl around underneath the car and put a wrench on every nut and bolt that I can see and make sure it's tight. So to check the brake pads on these racing calipers, it's pretty easy. As you can see the pads right there. And just check to see how thick they are and their condition. And I just do that all the way around the car. So here's a little tour of my trailer. Two ramp doors down. In the very front here I've got a toolbox. Over here I've got my battery to run my winch for pulling the car in. Controller up there on the wall above the winch. Over here, got my EZF canopy strapped in and some chairs. Eventually I'll get some more cabinetry and some tire racks in here. It's the side entry door. And out to the car. Now let's winch the car in. Okay, let's winch the car in. Okay, I've got it winched in and tied down. See, I've got a tie down strap there and over on the other side. The winch is still hooked, but it's slack, so the winch isn't actually holding it. I'm leaving it hooked just as a fail-safe. Here it is from the back. So you've got two tie downs there. These aren't actually ratchet tie downs, these are just little short straps with hooks on each end. The hook to the car and to the trailer. Now we'll get all our supplies and stuff loaded up and be ready to go.